In this problem, two observers A and B are moving in opposite direction to each other on a parallel track which is separated by a distance d with the same speed. When they are at the shortest distance, a particle is thrown horizontally from some height from ground by A towards B with respect to itself. Now we need to find the path of the particle observed by B. Now let us consider velocity of A with respect to ground is ui cap and velocity of B with respect to ground is minus ui cap. So velocity of A with respect to ground is ui cap and velocity of B with respect to ground is minus ui cap. Now from some height h above A, a particle is projected towards B with some initial velocity. So at any time, velocity of the particle which is projected with some speed with respect to ground will be equal to V. It is directed, if I consider this particular direction, the direction towards B to be j cap and the downward direction to be minus k cap. So it is V minus V j cap minus g t k cap. This is the velocity of the particle with respect to ground from height h. So if we consider the velocity of particle, this is with respect to ground when projected from A. Now velocity of particle with respect to ground as seen by B is equal is u I cap minus ui cap plus minus vj cap minus gtk cap, or we have 2ui cap minus vj cap minus gtk cap. So this velocity is constant in the xy plane and there is an accelerated velocity in k plane. So the motion of the particle will be parabolic as seen by B. So the correct option is D, where the motion observed by B is parabolic.